Hello and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so Easter is over, Passover is over, you may have some leftovers, particularly ham. A lot of people do ham on Easter, so they have a good ham bone. Unfortunately, we don't because somebody threw it away, but we do have leftover ham. So what I want to show you today is a quick, simple Ninja Foodi pressure cooker recipe to throw together some split pea soup. Using that ham and a couple other ingredients that you probably honestly have at your house already, you could whip up some pea soup that will be good throughout this whole next week. You can even freeze it, have it now. And before it gets too hot out, I think pea soup is really a nice dish right after Easter. So come on, let's jump into the ingredients. We'll throw everything in our Ninja Foodi and we'll make some pea soup. Are you ready? Are you ready? And here we go. Let me just go over the ingredients real fast. Obviously, we have our Ninja Foodi XL. We're gonna do the pressure cooker setting. I got some olive oil. I got some leftover Easter ham. Unfortunately, my beautiful wife decided to throw away the ham bone, but I'm just going to throw in some ham. We got a bag of peas, dried peas, celery, onion, garlic, fresh thyme, 2 bay leaves, some chicken broth, salt, pepper, some carrots. It's just a mishmash all in the pressure cooker, and it's going to be an amazing, super simple, under 30 minutes split pea soup. Now I just did a little rough chop of some stuff, but I want to bring your attention right here. I'm going to turn this on, and it's going to be on this in the sear saute mode, high. And now I just have a little bit of olive oil in there, and I want to get that oil warmed up because I'm going to sear off and saute some of my veggies real fast. Okay, you can hear my oil's getting warm, so I'm going to do carrots, celery, onion. In we go. Get in there, little onion. Next, I'm going to give it a little mix. Start getting that warm and fragrant. I'm going to come in with a little garlic. Probably 2 or 3. Maybe 3 for good luck, because I like garlic. Come on, little guy. You can do it. There we go. Perfect. Let's give this a stir. Okay, let's shut off the sear saute. Give it one more little mix, and we're going to start adding in the rest of our ingredients. Next is going to be 2 cups of water. After the 2 cups of water, we're going in with 4 cups of chicken broth, which one of these containers is 4 cups of chicken broth. So we're going to do one of these whole containers. So the liquid is 2 cups of water to 4 cups chicken broth. Next, we're coming in with our bag of peas. Our dried peas. Some fresh thyme. Love fresh thyme. 2 or 3 bay leaves, depending on how big your bay leaves are. Hit it with some black pepper to taste. A little bit of black pepper. And we can always add more as needed. Some salt to taste. And we can always add more as needed. Let's give this a little stir. Beautiful. It's smelling amazing. Okay, now your last component is the ham. You could do this a couple different ways. You're supposed to put the ham bone in and let all that goodness get off the bone. I'm being super lazy today, and I cubed it up, but really big cubes. Obviously, the pressure cooker is going to make this so tasty and shreddable and tender, so you can kind of break it down in your own bowl of soup. That's what I'm thinking. I like big chunks of ham. That's my thing, but you can cube them up as big, small, ham bone, whatever you want to do, whatever makes you happy. But that's basically it. That's a super simple split pea recipe with leftover ham. Let's get it pressure cooking. Okay, so let's turn this thing on. It's going through its little startup thing. Now this, I want to move all the way over here to pressure cook. It's going to be on high, and I'm going to go 15 minutes, and I'm going to do a natural release. So as you can see, my little valve at the top here, we want to have that in the seal position. Not the vent, in the seal position. So that'll be sealed. We're going to go high, pressure cook. This is locked. Start. And it's going to start building pressure. It's going to do its thing for 15 minutes. And then we'll slow release it. And I'll bring you guys back and let you know how the soup looks. So while that's pressure cooking, I just wanted to take a minute to thank you all very, very much for watching our videos. Now more than ever, it means so much to Babe and I, and all of the channel members that have taken the time to hit the little join button, which is right next to the subscribe button down below on YouTube. Thank you so much to all of our channel members, especially our top tier channel members whose name are on the screen. They're spending a lot of money on us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We appreciate all of you from the bottom of our heart. Everybody that just hit the thumbs up button, that left a comment, thank you. We love cooking, and this is just another example of a super simple recipe that you can just whip up, and it's fun. The Ninja Foodi's fun. So, all right, let this pressure cook. We'll bring you back, and we'll show you how the soup looks. Oh, man. 15 minutes pressure cook, 15 minutes natural release, fogging up the camera. Holy moly. Let's clear that camera lens. The smells in here are absolutely amazing. That's how easy this recipe is. I'm so excited. All right, let's pour a bowl. Now you can see that it thickened up quite a bit. I love those big fat pieces of ham. I think that it's going to be really, really good. It smells good. It looks good. Everything just really came together in the pressure cooker. So, see, it's still hot. It's still fogging. All right, let's give it a taste. Oh, no. Oh, it's going to be so good. I mean, come on, show the folks. Ooh, that is hot. That is hot, man. And I don't know whether to do a spoon or a fork. Obviously, you need a spoon for that. But, I mean, now the ham is just super, like, shreddable. The carrots, I mean, everything is just so, like, decadent. Like, burn my face off. This is classic. I remember my mom making this growing up as a kid. Oh, the ham just shreds apart with a spoon. It just brings back like a childhood thing, split pea. And I'm not a fan of peas, and I always used to be like, Mom. But it's so good. I mean, it's so, like... The flavors are just amazing. With that fresh thyme, and obviously the fresh garlic. And it thickened up perfectly. No cornstarch, no flour, nothing like that. It's really, really good. That is killer. And it was easy. Like 30 minutes, leftover Easter ham. Like $5 worth of ingredients, and you are in the game. All right, you guys. Wow. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it. And we'll be back with another video soon. You guys, that is so good. All right. We'll catch you on the next one.